Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got an exciting method to share with you that can help you make an impressive $7,000 with Amazon Associates. That's right, you heard it correctly, $7,000. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you need to do is head over to Amazon Associates and sign up for an account. It's quick and easy, and it will give you access to a whole world of earning potential. Now that you have your account set up, it's time to pick a product to promote. For this demonstration, let's take Apple AirTags as our example. Remember, you can choose any product that suits your niche and audience. Once you've found the product you want to promote, look at the top of your browser. There's a banner called Site Stripe. From there, you can select your preferred link type: text, image, or even text plus image. Alright, let's head over to Instagram. If you already have an account, fantastic. If not, don't worry, creating one is a breeze. Now, the real action begins. Create a new pin on your Instagram account, and make sure to use an eye-catching image of the product you're promoting. Remember, aesthetics matter. This step is absolutely crucial to your success. Recall that Amazon affiliate link you copied earlier. Now, here's the secret sauce. Paste that link into the description of your pin. This link is what will track your referrals and ultimately lead to those earnings. And there you have it, folks. By following these simple steps and putting in some effort into promoting your pins, you can unlock the potential to make $7,000 or more through Amazon Associates. So, go ahead, give it a shot, and let the earnings start rolling in. Best of luck, and until next time, happy earning!